Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and unique trend that as all of you could see, different type of peacock embroidery designs are being shown in this whole entire video. These peacock designs can be used for a wide variety of reasons in a number of ways. But before going into the further details, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can subscribe from number of any other devices. When we talk about peacock embroidery, it gets some sort of tricky because peacocks are very unique and trendy, and they are always made with some focused attention. But don't worry, we have different type of stylized patterns of peacock ranging from hand embroidery beginners towards hand embroidery artists, giving 3D pattern of peacock along with beautiful floral designs. So where you can use these beautiful patterns of peacock, you can use them to design your dresses, shirts, sweatshirts. Even you can also embroider them onto your denim fabrics, denim jackets, denim shirts, even onto the dresses of baby girls as an embroidery motif. Even you can also use these very beautiful patterns of peacock embroidery for home decor items like cushion cover, pillow covers, bedsheet cover, cold cover. Even you can also embroider these patterns onto the borders of your curtains, tablecloths. So the choice and the range of creativity with these peacock embroidery patterns totally depends onto your taste. And the beauty and creativity of these patterns is that they are bidimensional. That is, you can equally use them for machine embroidery also. So I hope that you have liked today's idea and design concepts. If you really like them, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Up till then, keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content.